Hi, I'm Mark, and this is Everyone Can Grill. Today we're going to do chicken thigh jalapeno poppers, wrapped in bacon, barbecued, indirect on the Weber Performer. So let's get started. Alright, today we're using Kingsford Blue Bag. Nothing fancy. I have the charcoal pans on both sides and we'll fill them up when it's ready. What I'm going to do special though, is instead of putting the grate down on top normally, I'll take it, I'm going to flip it over this way using my gloves, drop it on there, and when you let go, it'll make a little chute on both sides so you can drop your wood chips and stuff like that down there without messing around. Just makes things a whole lot easier. Okay, you see I have the jalapenos cut. Now I'm going to just scoop out the insides. Dump it right in the trash can. I'm wearing gloves because I found out the hard way that jalapenos will burn the snot out of you even after you wash your hands a couple of times. So let me gut these and we'll go from there. Okay, I got the jalapenos cut up. I got 4 pieces of chicken laid out. I got some bacon. We're going to take some of my dry rub. This is on my web page or on my Facebook page if you want to make your own, or you can go out and get whatever you like. I'm just going to give it a good shot. Then we're going to take some cream cheese, get a good scoop, shove it in this jalapeno just like that. We're going to set that face down on there. And now I got some Mexican blend cheese that we're going to use, if I can open it. We're going to take some of this and just put it right on top like that. Yeah, buddy, because you can't go wrong with cheese. Now, take a piece of bacon and give it a little bit of a stretch. I lost a little bit. We'll put that right inside there. It won't hurt anything. Now I want to wrap this up just like that. Take the bacon and go tight around here. And there ain't no way one piece is going to work because these are kind of short pieces of bacon. So see, I'm stretching it. Give this a wrap all the way around. And man, I'm telling you, it doesn't get any better than that. I'm going to do the other 3 and then we'll come back when this is ready to go. Okay, I got all 4 of them ready to roll. What I want to do now is I want to put some more of my rub on the outside. Like I said, just enough to coat it. You don't have to go crazy or else it'll feel like you put sawdust on it. And that's it. I still got about 10, maybe 15 minutes for the charcoal to go, but we're real close right now. I'll be back when we're ready. Okay, the grill's warmed up. I'm running right around 360 degrees, 370 degrees right now. We're ready to get this chicken on here. As you can see, I got a vat of baked beans going in the back, because what's better with chicken than baked beans? So I'm gonna put these on here. I made a foil drip pan to catch all that, because I forgot once, and man, what a mess. I'm going to get all 4 of these up here nice and tight, and then I got this extra chicken that I'm going to just tuck in here. And the reason why I'm doing that is because this weekend I want to make a chicken pot pie, and I figure I might as well just cook the chicken all at once and not bore you the next time how to cook chicken. And this isn't rocket science. Anybody can do this. Like I said, anybody can cook on the grill. And if you can do it in the house, you can do it on the grill. Now I'm gonna add some pecan wood. Dry. I don't soak my wood. It just doesn't make a difference to me. If it burns up quick or it smokes out quick, I can add some more. See, it's already firing up. But once I put this on, it'll snuff it out. We're gonna have these go for about an hour. I'll check them in about a half an hour, show you what we got going on. Let me get that lid on there. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes. I want to take a look at this chicken. My grill temperature dropped down to about 325, which is no big deal, but we'll give those grates a stir. Look at the color on that chicken already. Man, this is going to be some good stuff. I'm going to knock some of these coals down on these grates, and I'm going to add a couple of coals because it's pretty chilly out. It's only about 45 degrees out at the most, and that wind's whipping pretty hard. So we'll put 3 or 4 coals on both sides. And while I'm at it, let's throw a little bit of smoke in there. Not a whole lot. I mean, you add too much smoke, I think it gets a little bitter. So, just enough to make things good. There we go. Okay, while that's going, let's take a minute and make a quick barbecue glaze to put on top of those. I'm going to just take a good shot of barbecue sauce. We don't need a whole lot because, I mean, it's only 4 pieces of chicken. But I am going to add about a quarter of what I did with the barbecue sauce with Jim Beam. Now we're going to give that a quick stir. Get it all mixed together. And when those chickens are done, ooh, that's going to need a little bit more. It's still too thick. There we go. Hey, just a sip for me because it's cold out here. There we go. See, that's what I'm looking for. It's pretty thin. Like I said, it's just a glaze we're going to put over the top just for one more layer of flavor. I'll put the lid on this just in case a bird comes by or anything. And I'll see you in a little bit. All right, it's been 5 minutes, and I want you to take a close-up look at this chicken. Because, geez, oh Pete, that is just, it doesn't get any better than that. I'm telling you right now. I'm going to get these chickens in, get the beans off, and we're going to try it out. So I'll see you inside. All right, I brought everything in because it was, like I said, so stinking cold. But I want to cut into this chicken. Look at that bacon in there, and it's all shiny from the glaze. Oh, oh yeah. Look at the cheese and the jalapeno. It doesn't get any better than that. I'm going to take a bite out of this just like a dang apple. Oh my gosh. The cheese and the jalapeno were perfect. And the chicken is just tender still and juicy. But boy, that bacon takes it over the top. And then you throw that bourbon glaze on top of it and you can sure taste it. Middle of February, it doesn't get any better than this.